Have you ever found yourself rushing from the grocery store, confidently handling a bag filled to the brim, and in a split second, disaster strikes? The bag breaks, and your carefully chosen groceries are scattered everywhere. That image of yogurt smeared on the ground, the milk carton leaking its contents, and cans rolling away is not just a mess, but a painful analogy of missed opportunities. Now imagine those groceries representing your hard-earned investments. The bag signifies your investment strategy. If all your investments are concentrated in one place, the risk is similar to that overloaded bag. The market is unpredictable, and there's always the looming risk of it taking a downturn. Just as the bag can break, the market can drop, and without a diverse strategy, your investments could spill and scatter, causing potential losses. Diversification is like distributing your groceries into multiple bags. Each bag or asset class can handle its fair share, and if one happens to falter, the others can still carry you through. At Conchar Financial, we believe that preparation and strategy are paramount. That's why we've meticulously crafted Market Guard. Think of it as your vigilant watchdog, constantly overseeing your investments. It's designed to alert you when there's a potential risk in the horizon, so you have the upper hand and can act before it's too late. Our world is ever-changing, and the financial landscape isn't exempt. But with the right strategy and tools like Market Guard, you're not just responding to the market's whims, you're anticipating them. So the next time you're faced with a decision on how to best safeguard your financial future, remember the grocery bag analogy, and remember to call Richard Trabue with Conchar Financial at 678-539-9518 to learn how Market Guard can be an invaluable part of your financial strategy. Let's ensure your investments are as secure as they are prosperous.